Hello friends, this is Vaibhav Vivek Prabhu and he is Aryaman. We study in 9th class of Father Ignal School. We are here to present our project under the name Feed the Future Underground Farming. This project is a collection of various self-sustainable ideas that will help us serve our future generations. The main idea on which this project works is underground farming. Underground farming is a method of growing crops for serving the future generation, for serving the growing population. This method can be used in countries like India and China where the population is high and land is scarce. We can use this method to provide fresh and healthy crops to the population. This method conserves resources like soil, air and water and gives you optimum result of crops. We have used other methods here such as bottle lighting system, aeroponics, hydroponics and drip system. The first comes bottle lighting system. What you see here is a sample of bottle lighting system where when light is supplied to the bottle, due to the bending nature of light, the water bends light and supplies light to whole of the tunnel, which helps the plants to photosynthesize. We have used other methods such as aeroponics. Aeroponics is a method of preparing highly nutrient rich air and for providing nutrients to the plants and reducing the usage of soil and water and using the best usage of air. Ariman, please explain about hydroponics and drip system.
In hydroponics, we use nutrient-rich solution of water and other micronutrients that are required by the plants. Then comes the drip system. In drip system, we provide water drop by drop at the base of the plants. Underground farming has many benefits. The first one is that the crop remains fresh, and the second one is that the transportation is very less as you grow the crops just below the ground. And the last one that I want to talk about is that you conserve resources like land, air and water.
We have other benefits such as the method uses very less energy and conserves energy. We have another benefit that it overall contributes to the production and employment opportunities of the country and increases the economy of the country. Thank you and have a nice day.